Welcome to Celestial Wonders. Today, we're diving into a breathtaking phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for centuries: solar eclipses. From ancient cultures interpreting these events as omens to modern scientists using them to unlock the secrets of our universe, solar eclipses are truly remarkable. Join me as we explore what they are, how they occur, and why they captivate our imaginations. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the Sun, temporarily blocking the Sun's light. This celestial alignment can only happen during a new moon phase, which occurs roughly once a month. As the moon moves into position, it casts a shadow that sweeps across the Earth's surface, allowing observers within that shadow to experience this stunning event. The geometry of a solar eclipse is fascinating. The Sun is about 400 times larger than the Moon, yet it's also approximately 400 times farther away from Earth. This unique ratio is what allows the Moon to completely cover the Sun during a total solar eclipse. When this alignment occurs, the result is an awe-inspiring spectacle, with the Sun's corona, a halo of plasma surrounding the Sun, becoming visible. This sight has captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. Let's break down the three main types of solar eclipses, each offering a distinct experience. Total solar eclipse. Imagine standing on Earth as the moon completely covers the Sun. Suddenly, day turns to night, and the temperature drops dramatically. For a few precious minutes, the Sun's corona becomes visible, a stunning display of wispy, glowing plasma that can only be seen during an eclipse. It's an experience that leaves many observers breathless. The dramatic shift in light causes birds to stop singing, and animals may even behave as if night has fallen. This phenomenon, known as totality, can last from mere seconds to several minutes, depending on your location along the eclipse's path. Partial solar eclipse. Picture a beautiful day where a chunk of the Sun seems to vanish. During a partial eclipse, only a portion of the Sun is obscured by the Moon. This is less dramatic than a total eclipse, but still offers a captivating sight. The appearance of a crescent sun can create intriguing shadows, and you might even notice a change in ambient light. Observers must take precautions and use proper solar viewing glasses, as looking directly at the Sun, even partially obscured, can cause serious eye damage. Annular solar eclipse. Now, let's talk about the annular solar eclipse. This occurs when the Moon is farther away from Earth in its elliptical orbit, making it appear smaller in the sky. As a result, it can't completely cover the Sun, leading to a brilliant ring of fire effect around the Moon. This fiery ring is a spectacular sight, often mesmerizing to watch. Unlike total eclipses, where the sky darkens, an annular eclipse retains daylight, but the distinctive ring creates a unique visual experience that draws observers from near and far. Solar eclipses are not just beautiful, they also provide invaluable scientific opportunities. During a total eclipse, scientists can study the solar corona, which is normally hidden by the bright light of the Sun. This outer atmosphere of the Sun holds critical clues about solar activity and its effects on the Earth. For example, the corona is significantly hotter than the Sun's surface, and understanding why this temperature difference exists is one of the great mysteries of astrophysics. Observations made during eclipses have led to important discoveries about solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and the solar wind, factors that can impact Earth's magnetosphere and lead to phenomena such as auroras. Eclipses have historically played a significant role in advancing our scientific understanding. One famous example is the solar eclipse of 1919, during which Arthur Eddington observed the bending of starlight around the sun, providing one of the first pieces of evidence for Einstein's theory of general relativity. Such discoveries show how eclipses can serve as natural laboratories for studying the universe. Throughout history, solar eclipses have sparked awe and fear alike. Imagine living in ancient times, gazing at the sky when the sun suddenly disappears. Such events were often interpreted as omens or messages from the gods. For instance, in 585 BC, a solar eclipse reportedly ended a war between the Medes and Lydians, as both sides interpreted the event as a divine sign to cease hostilities. Civilizations across the globe have recorded their interpretations of solar eclipses. The ancient Chinese believed that a dragon was devouring the sun, leading to rituals aimed at scaring it away. In Mesoamerican cultures, eclipses were often seen as significant events that could impact agricultural cycles or even royal legitimacy. The way these celestial events shaped cultural narratives illustrates the deep connection between humanity and the cosmos. As scientific understanding progressed, eclipses began to lose their mystical connotations. Astronomers like Johannes Kepler and Tycho Brahe meticulously recorded eclipses, laying the groundwork for modern astronomy. Today, eclipses are celebrated for their beauty and the scientific insights they provide, rather than feared as ominous portents. In recent years, solar eclipses have garnered significant public interest, especially during total solar eclipses that pass overpopulated areas. The Great American Eclipse in 2017 captivated millions across the United States. People traveled from all over the country to experience totality, turning cities into hubs of excitement and celebration. Communities organized festivals, and educators used the occasion to engage the public in astronomy. Viewing parties were held in parks, schools, and even stadiums, creating an atmosphere of collective wonder. The accessibility of information through social media transformed the experience, with live streams and updates allowing people across the globe to share in the moment. The enthusiasm surrounding eclipses has also spurred interest in science and space exploration. Many educators and organizations use eclipses as opportunities to inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronomers. The event becomes more than just a visual spectacle. It transforms into a celebration of knowledge and curiosity about our universe. If you're lucky enough to witness a solar eclipse, remember to protect your eyes. Looking directly at the sun without proper protection can cause severe eye damage or even blindness. Always use certified solar viewing glasses or solar filters specifically designed for eclipse viewing. During a total eclipse, it's safe to look at the sun only when the moon completely covers it, revealing the corona. This brief period of totality is the only time observers can safely look at the sun without protection. However, during the partial phases, using solar filters or specially designed eclipse glasses is crucial. Many educational programs emphasize safe viewing techniques, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the eclipse without risking their eyesight. Consider participating in local events organized by planetariums or astronomy clubs, where you can access safe viewing equipment and expert guidance. Solar eclipses remind us of the beauty and complexity of our universe. Each eclipse offers a unique opportunity to connect with the cosmos and experience the wonders of celestial mechanics. They inspire us to look up, not just in wonder, but with a scientific curiosity that drives our exploration of the universe. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or a casual observer, there's something magical about witnessing a solar eclipse. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos and a chance to marvel at the celestial dance of the sun, moon, and earth. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the magic of solar eclipses. Keep looking up and mark your calendars. There's always another eclipse waiting to be witnessed.